My name is Chantele Jones. I'm the owner of VDaLish Vegan Cuisine and Desserts here in Detroit, Michigan, where we're a plant-based cooking company, and I specialize in vegan cuisine through catering. I also host cooking classes and also pop-ups. I work out of the beautiful Brightmoor Artisans Collective space. I started my business back in 2010 out of a need that I saw for more plant-based foods. I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease known as HS back in 2012, and I saw how changing my diet really reversed my health in a very positive way. And so basically I help others on their health journey kind of like transition into plant-based dieting more successfully. All right, so today we're making our famous VDaLish chickpea tuna, one of the most requested dishes that we make here. And so this is chickpeas. Just use about 2 cans of fresh chickpeas. To that, you want to cut up some celery. And then next, we're going to add in our red onion. And then lastly, you want to just take some carrots, chop them down a little bit smaller. And you're going to pulse this until it's about a more of a chunkier texture. I'll show you guys. You want to leave some texture, just not big chunks. And so you're going to add this into your mixing bowl. You can really add whatever you like to it, but what I like to add to mine is just a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and I like to use a mix of sea kelp and also seaweed. And then I like to add some Old Bay seasoning to it, sweet relish, or you can use fresh dill, and then a vegan mayo. And you're just gonna give it a big mix. This dish is very, very, very versatile in however you like to enjoy it. For me, it means everything because I've been there. When you're battling and you're not feeling your best, it can be very depressing. It doesn't seem simple, but it really is simple if it's just controlling what you put in your mouth. Something that small that can truly change almost the trajectory of your life. It's like, how can we just make constant daily choices, and then if you slip up, we start over again. Like, it's not just, you messed up and everybody's like that. Like, we all just, take daily steps to make better choices than we did the day before. So I'm always just super excited for other people.